Hold on.
All right, anything else for you?
That'll be it.
All right, give me 1 second. There we go. That total is going to be $13.68. First window.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
We out here sunrise. I nailed it. We going fishing. Still got about a hour's drive. Pick up my homie. He's staying in Navarre. He came down to visit. Got him a little B&B. We'll pick him up, and we heading out to the famous Fort Pickens. Somebody done got in trouble. Say our prayers. But yeah, got an hour drive out to Fort Pickens. Trying to get there early before all the retirees do, because that's all they do around here. In case you don't know where I live in Florida, it's retiring nation. I think the whole of Florida is, man. But if you don't get out to Fort Pickens before 8 o'clock, you might as well show up at 5 in the afternoon. You ain't get no spots. This is what it looks like going across the Navarre Bridge. Y'all say y'all prayers this morning. Hope y'all did. That's what it look like out here. Real calm today, but when we get to Fort Pickens, that current be on another level. Here we are, set up. Went to one spot, no luck, but we out here, out of Fort Pickens, shore fishing. So we are here under the 3 Mile Bridge, and no bites, nothing. Been here for about an hour. 2 spots at Fort Pickens, and went to try to go to Bob Sykes, but it was full. Like me surrounding me, people fishing. And then come out here, and nothing. Everybody is complaining about the same thing. No bites. Anissa and them are out there doing their thing, learning. Kev out there trying to catch. Got another unsuccessful. Well, no. Caught 2 big fish. That's about it. Well, not too exciting. But main reason of this video is so you guys can see. It did work. It did. There it is. It works. Leftover foam in the corner over there. I'll pop that out. Oh, my rod holder works. We gotta go inside. No. Oh yeah, we gotta have a briefing. Oh, safety briefing. Oh. Thought I got out of the military. Oh man. Oh man. Today gonna be a day, bro. Oh, we out here in the boat. We didn't catch nothing on the shore yesterday. But we catching something today.
I want you to go all the way to the bottom when that weight quits going out. Flip the lever, crank it 10 cranks, and watch your rod tip. If you're down there for more than just a minute and you hadn't caught a fish, we're going to ask you to reel out. Check your bait. Check your baits, folks. Some of these spots have trigger fish around, and check your baits every couple minutes. All right, bro. Whatever that was.
Yep.
Pretty work.
All right, so that's it. We're wrapping up.
That's the buzzer beater we needed right there. Pretty work.
Huh? Alright guys, we're gonna end the video here. This was our whole take. Oh shit. Oh man. I will be back. This is fun. Well, we caught over our quota in the first 30 minutes? Shit. We hit 4 spots and we caught a quota in the first spot. So we just kinda like contributed to the rest of the boat. You know, but hey, you have fun, man?
Had a blast.
Yeah.
Should be fun.
Yeah, we're coming back.